Hi guys, today we will be learning how we can increase the upload limit of all-in-one WP migration plugin, as we have to import the website and we have the upload limit of maximum 512 MB. So first of all, go to all-in-one WP and click on import, and you can see the maximum upload file size is 512 MB, and now we will increase it up to 10 GB. 10 gigabytes. So what you have to do is hover on tools, click on theme file editor. Now go to functions.php file. You'll find it somewhere in the right sidebar. Yeah, click on it, scroll to the bottom, just give some space for 2 or 3 lines, paste the code I'm giving you in the description below. I'll paste the link in the description below for this code, and click on update file. Now let's get back to all-in-one WP migration plugin. Click on import, and let's see if it has increased. Yeah, the maximum upload file size has increased to 10 GB. So that's it. This is how you can increase the maximum upload file size when you want to in upload any backup of your website. So do like and subscribe my channel if this video helped you. Have a great day. Bye bye.